everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Anthony and we're out here at the farm today. Got a hill climb event on tomorrow and I need to service the Sylvia, so I thought best way of doing it is to vlog about it. Why not? Everyone else does. Alright, so we're going to pull the car cover off it, put it up on the ramps and do the service. So I'm going to put you up here and go from there. Alrighty guys, that's the oil dropped, the old stuff and the new stuff in. I haven't primed it yet, I've just put the new one, put the new oil filter on, new oil in, so disconnect the CAS so it doesn't fire. And we go into the cabin, make sure it's out of gear, which it is. Check to make sure. Anyway, so what we're watching for, that oil light to go out. Anytime. There we go. Oil light's off. So it's built up oil pressure. So now we get back in there and check the leaks. So this is residue from before when I changed the filter. Behind the nest, it's under here. Unfortunately the car's been sitting for a week, or a couple of weeks in the rain. Got no leaks. Cobwebs build up really fast here at the farm. I've degreased under here, so I just need to wash it off. No drip, which is good. We'll check to make sure the oil level, and then we'll start it up. Hey guys, sorry, I'm a terrible vlogger. I never recorded any more of the service. However, it is finished. The car is completely serviced, and on the way back through town I even stopped and gave it a good wash. It is in dire need for a decent detail. I need to do a bit of a clay bar job and a good polish on it. However, it'll suffice for tomorrow. I thought I'd give you a bit of detail on what is happening, which you'll probably see in the next vlog. We're having a come and try day at the hill climb. Basically, I'm running a few instructor laps for people around the track, showing them the ins and outs of the circuit, and especially for those ones that have never raced or driven on a racetrack before. So stay tuned for the next vlog. It will be a vlog / hill climb event. I usually upload the hill climb events just as the runs, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and vlog them, including the runs, just to see if I like the format, if you guys like the format. However, until then, I hope you have a nice night, and I'll see you next time.